A silent condition might be building inside your body right now. It doesn't trigger a cough, a fever, or an ache. Most people live with it for years without feeling a single physical symptom. Blood pressure is a biological necessity, the hydraulic force required to circulate oxygen and nutrients to your cells. But at chronic high levels, this force creates relentless, destructive friction against the very vessels that contain it. This split-screen diagram compares a standard house plumbing network operating safely with one cracking under extreme water pressure. Your circulatory system follows the same physics. The pipes are your blood vessels, and the appliances connected to those pipes are your vital organs. When the pressure remains too high, the appliances start to fail. We are tracking this hyper-pressurized blood from its source, through the main arterial highways, to the body's furthest endpoints, to witness the progressive erosion of the human network. If you want to see how we visualize medical science every week, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Drop a comment below if there is a specific medical mystery you want us to cover in the next script. Left unchecked, this invisible hydraulic pressure guarantees a structural collapse somewhere within your biological network. The damage starts at the pump. To move blood against abnormal resistance in the arteries, the heart must generate massive, sustained force. It is working far beyond its intended capacity. This cross-sectional diagram shows left ventricular hypertrophy. Because the heart works like a bodybuilder lifting heavy weights, the left ventricle thickens and grows. This added bulk makes the tissue stiff and inefficient. The chamber shrinks, struggles to pump effectively, and eventually leads to heart failure. The high pressure also creates tiny mechanical tears in the lining of the coronary arteries. Cholesterol and fat settle into these microscopic wounds, forming plaques that can trigger a heart attack. As blood moves into the major vascular highways, the heavy thumping of high-pressure flow constantly pounds against the artery walls. Over time, this mechanical pounding weakens sections of the artery. The wall stretches and bulges outward like an overinflated balloon, forming an aneurysm. If a major vessel like the aorta bursts, it creates a catastrophic medical emergency. The central cardiovascular infrastructure eventually sacrifices its own structural integrity just to maintain circulation. The pressurized blood soon reaches the body's primary waste filtration plant, the kidneys. This diagram shows nephrons acting as biological sieves. High pressure causes nephrosclerosis, microfracturing the loops, causing them to thicken and scar. Dangerous toxins bypass these ruminant filters, accumulating in the bloodstream. The damaged kidneys release hormones, causing systemic blood pressure to spike even higher. Damaged kidneys create a self-sustaining cycle that speeds up the body's overall physical breakdown. Finally, the surging blood reaches the body's most dense and fragile capillary endpoints, the brain and the eyes. The brain requires a constant, precise supply of oxygen. When hypertension damages its fragile vessels, strokes occur through two primary mechanics. A clot blocks a narrowed artery in an ischemic stroke, or a weakened vessel bursts directly into the brain in a hemorrhagic stroke. Often, the damage is microscopic. Narrowed vessels trigger a series of unnoticeable microstrokes that starve brain tissue of oxygen. This leads to vascular dementia, a progressive decline in memory and cognitive function. The visual system relies on similarly delicate infrastructure. The blood vessels supplying the retina at the back of the eye are incredibly thin. Under chronic high pressure, these vessels thicken and restrict essential blood flow. This condition, hypertensive retinopathy, reaches its climax when those tiny vessels burst. Blood and fluid leak into the retina, resulting in blurred vision, blind spots, and eventually irreversible blindness. The human body's most complex functions, thought and sight, are ultimately wiped out by raw mechanical friction. Pulling back from the microscopic damage, we can see the human body as a unified, interconnected biological network. Hypertension functions as a systemic, progressive, and completely silent erosion of the entire internal anatomy. Managing this condition is an act of preserving the physical integrity of your vascular infrastructure. Lifestyle shifts, dietary changes, regular exercise, and medication serve as physical shields. They reduce hydraulic friction and protect vital organs from long-term wear and tear. While the systemic erosion is silent, The power to relieve the internal pressure and prevent structural collapse is within your control.